Okay, guys, I'm on your screens again today to bringing you another amazing crypto opportunity. As usual, this is Crypto Fountain Academy, a YouTube channel I've personally dedicated to onboarding lots of users, even including newbies in the Web3 space. Here, I bring you opportunities on how you can make free money in the crypto space in the form of airdrops. So what do I have for you today? As you can see, I am on my X account and on my screen is showing sex.io, right? This account you see here is an account of a crypto exchange. I'm talking about a centralized exchange. They've been in existence for quite a long time. You can see they even joined Twitter on September 2013. This account you see here is followed by most of the prominent people in the crypto space, including the CEO of Thrones. I'm talking about TRX, Jeff Bezos, or I've even forgotten the name. I think Justin Sun. Yeah, Justin Sun. He's following this account. As you can see, George Jeff, Uniton Token, a lot of people, prominent people in the crypto space are following this particular exchange. They already have a verified account on Twitter. They have active users, right? Active users. You can go to your Google Play Store, um download their exchange app, create an account, and then start trading. You can trade all types of crypto exchange, cryptocurrency with them. So what do I have for you today? They've announced, you can see something here. They announced their mining in the form of telegram tapping, right, of late. And um I think after 2 days of making the announcement, they hit 10,000 players, right? So this is one of the reasons why I want you to be mining this particular crypto with me. All we are going to do in your or in our telegram account is to be tapping, just like we did with Notcoins, which paid out massively. People made thousands, right? So that's what we please, if today happens to be your first time coming across a content on my channel, consider subscribing. Everything crypto is done here on Crypto Fountain. So stay with me as we go to telegram, and then I carry you along. Okay, all you need is a link that will bring you to the sex.io power tap, right? And one good news is I'm leaving this particular link right in the description section of this video. I'll also pin it in the comment section. So all you have to do is to click on it, and then it will bring you to this interface. This is actually the first thing you are going to see once you open the bots, right? It will bring you to your Telegram account. So you just have to click on stats, right? You just have to click on stats. Look at something. Hey, Stanley Archery, get ready for an exciting blah blah blah. So you click on start app, right? You click on start app. I'm not only going to show you how to tap, right? I'm also going to explain all the interface and even guide you on how you can maximize your earnings. We are only going to earn points. Remember, we are not going to earn the coins, now the tokens. So you have to work hard. You have to be serious with this, so that at the end, when the points are being converted into tokens, you stand a chance to smile with us. Not only that, I'll leave a WhatsApp link and also a Telegram link in the description section, especially the WhatsApp link. Make sure you join. We'll be having regular meetings, live calls, and so many other stuffs. The only place to grab your CSP tokens. All right, so let me input an email address here. Let me use this one. Okay, so you are also going to do the same thing. Here you input an email address. Okay, now it's done. So look at something at the down here. Let me show you something. Look at this section. You can see we have 4 buttons here. I'll take time to explain all of them for you, right? So we are starting with the tap section. You can see it's the highlighted one. That's where we are now. When we look at the tap section, we can see I now have 1,000 taps left. So I can just be tapping. This is where you are supposed to tap, center of this icon here. So you just have to be tapping on it, and then it will be accumulating. Once the 1,000 taps is exhausted, you have to wait for it to be reloaded again, and then you come back to tap. So after tapping for enough time, you just have to click on claim, and then all the taps you did will be accumulated here for you in the form of 6 points, not tokens. Take notes. All right, so now let's go to tax. I'm talking about this sexy guy here. Tax or task. Yeah, let me click on it. You can see there are so many activities you can do here to get crazy rewards, right? The first thing is you downloading their app and then creating an account. Once you create the account, you have to wait, I think, for 5 days, and then you come back to verify, and you are going to get a whooping 10k 6 points, right? I'm talking about, take notes. And also, when you invite your first friend, you are going to get 5,000. 5 friends, 15,000. It keeps going on and on and on. That's not where the point is. Let's come to this section here. When you look at this section, right, what do you see? First, let's subscribe to their Telegram channel. We'll come back and then claim, I think, 3,000. So I'll just click on join. Let's go back. We click on check, and then we claim. As you can see, we just claimed 3,000, blah blah blah. So here it's saying we should follow them on X, which is Twitter. So okay, I'm already following them. So let's go back. Let's just go back, right? Let's just, oh my god, Twitter will delay us, but it's all good. It's all good. So we click on check, and then we'll claim. Okay, it's delaying, so let's move on. Follow them on link ID or so. Even if you don't have time, you just click on it to load the next page. You go back and claim. Yeah, I've been doing that. So you just go back, we click on check, and then we claim. Let's wait small, it will all be loaded. Here it's saying we should follow them on Facebook. So let's wait. Let's click on it. Okay, it's loading. Okay, I'll just like their something, and then we go back. You can see there are so many tasks you can be performing, right? So the checking is taking my time, and okay, this one has loaded. The X account has loaded. I claim, right? Let's check this one too. It's also delaying. You can see lots of people are on it. So this is saying I should follow them on Instagram. So you can perform most of the tasks here and then claim amazing rewards. Right now, let's go to farm. Right, let me bring, oh my god, let me bring this guy here. So let's click on farm. So you just have to click on start farming era, and this is an automatic mining for you, right, which will last for 4 hours. So after every 4 hours, you just have to come back here to the farm section and then click on claim, and then whatever it has mined for you automatically will be claimed for you, right? So let's go to squad, right? So when we talk of squad, this is your team, right? Your team, the people that you've invited. So I'll also leave my squad link. You can join and we all earn together, right? Isn't this amazing, guys? Isn't this amazing? So this is it, guys. Join, let's all accumulate the points, let's make money together. In case of any update, I'll bring it to your notice. So why don't you subscribe to my channel at this point? Why don't you like the video? Why don't you share it to others? Please leave a comment. Let me know where you are watching me from. I want to know the territories we are impacting live, because crypto is going to pay you massively, no doubt, no doubt, right? See you another time with another incredible video. Bye bye.